Hey there. I know how tough it can be to make your small business stand out and look professional, especially when you're just starting out or running things on a tight budget. But here's the thing. You don't have to break the bank or wait months to upgrade your business image. Today, I'll share 5 super simple ways to instantly make your business look way more professional. No fancy equipment needed. Tip number 1, get a custom email domain. Seriously, nothing screams amateur like a business email ending in Gmail or Yahoo. For just a few bucks a month, you can get an email that matches your website. Like hello.yourbusiness.com. It's a tiny detail, but it immediately boosts trust with your clients. Number 2, polish up your website. First impressions matter, and your website is often the first place people check you out. Make sure your site is mobile-friendly, loads fast, and has a clear call to action. Oh, and please, ditch the outdated photos and blurry logos. Stock images are your friend. Third, sharpen your branding. I'm talking about a consistent logo, color scheme, and fonts across everything. Your website, social media, and even your invoices. You don't need to hire a pricey designer. There are tons of online tools that make it easy to create a cohesive look. Consistency is key. Number 4, professional phone presence. Set up a business phone number with a proper voicemail greeting. If you're using your cell, at least record a custom message so clients know they've reached your business, not your personal line. It's a small move, but it makes you sound way more legit. And finally, tip number 5, leverage smart automation. Using tools like AI chatbots or virtual assistants can make your business feel bigger and more responsive, without the overhead. Imagine being able to answer customer questions instantly, even when you're off the clock. If you want to take that last tip to the next level, check out the link in the description for a 14-day free trial of Go High Level's AI employees. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to boost your business's professionalism instantly. Remember, looking professional isn't about having the biggest budget. It's about making the right moves at the right time. Try out these tips and let me know in the comments which one made the biggest difference for your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check that link below.